The event was a Grandparent University session. There were grandparents and grandchildren, and the latter ones were ages from 7 to 14. The main idea is to introduce food science and the principles that teaches, so they will understand what happens, not only what the food that they have, but also understanding all the challenges that are involved in production agriculture, in processing, in maintaining a quality or producing a product that was of good quality.
No.
In the bread making session, the students were able to see the equipment that is used for determining quality. In this particular case, we emphasize the hard red winter wheat and the breeding program in which different characteristics are preferred. Example, strong and elastic. We had a session for pasta making. Pasta is probably the most simple processing that you can make, but it's also the one that teaches a lot.
It's going to make it all uniform and very thin.
Because the ingredients for pasta are only, in an industrial scale, is water, flour, and that's it. One of the important points that we wanted to emphasize was how the physical properties of the dough change during the processing of pasta making, during mixing, during the extending of the dough and cutting of the dough. And then, of course, we illustrate the performance of the different flours when we cook them. There was one session that we wanted to emphasize the creativity of the students to be expressed when they were making these. They were really dough-based material in which they can freely form whatever they wanted in whatever color, shape, and theme that they want. It was emphasizing the different physical changes that occurred in the dough and the decorations with the specific grains in which we told them it came from Asia, it came from North America, sunflowers, and the year that it was domesticated, that we think, according to archaeological data. This setup that the OSU Alumni Association prepares gives a very dynamic learning. The grandchildren, they are so curious and so open and so smart, but the key point in here is that the grandparents have, because obviously that much experience, and they have these questions in which they want to understand things at a different level, and the grandkids bring that joy of learning and why is that stops you in your tracks, and then you say, and why? And the curiosity also makes things, you learn much more fun when you're curious and you care about something. They care about what they eat, and they ask questions of why is this in my food. So we all have a lot of fun, and I can see and feel the joy of the students.